So got one dry grinder. This dry grinder is going to help me out to clean the surface, and I'm going to make some indentation on the surface. So for that, we'll just keep the wheel like this way so you guys can see properly. Just a minute, let me set up the camera. Okay, so here is the deal. You have to keep on scratching around. You also get such kind of a cutter, industrial cutter, to do the job, but I'm not going to use this one because I have lost one cutter which is having different shape. So this is conical, so this is not the main cutter which we should use. So I'm having grinding wheel. I'm going to do the job now. Okay, if you see, I'll show you the surface. If you see, then this is the grip which I'm looking for. You can use hacksaw blade or you can use emery paper as well, but this is the fastest work and has got different, feelings or the efficiency when you are applying the brake.